Formulas using named ranges are understood 4x faster by other users compared to cell reference formulas. Named ranges are the #1 Excel maintainability technique. Select a range and type a name in the name box, or use Ctrl plus F3 to open the name manager. Names can reference cells, ranges, constants, or even formulas. Scope them to the workbook or specific sheets. Replace equals sum B2, B100 with equals sum monthly sales, and your formula becomes self-documenting. Named ranges also prevent common errors like shifted references and broken range selections after inserting rows. Use offset with counta or index to create names that auto-expand as data grows. Dynamic named ranges power charts, drop-downs, and formulas that never need manual range updates. I refactor a 20-formula financial model from cell references to named ranges. The before and after comparison shows dramatic improvement in readability, and I demonstrate how maintenance becomes trivial. Named ranges take 5 minutes to learn and save hours over the life of a workbook. Subscribe for more Excel best practices.